on the day you serve it, clearly, because your fridge isn't going to be big enough for this, and probably literally as you're ready to serve it, because the cream will start to deteriorate. You can serve more cream, more coulis, more fruit, and then let's just do it. So these are these beautiful pink pavlovas, which are so chewy and yummy inside. You get a bit of cream, get a bit of fruit, bit of flour, bit of coulis. Hey, isn't that a great Merry Christmas dessert? So good. Is it good to groan? Yum. Oh, it's so yummy. How can you go wrong? Merry Christmas from us to you.